Hello everyone, we are from Tapsi Electromedical Systems and Services. We are manufacturers of electrotherapy equipments in physiotherapy range since 1996. Today in this video, we are here to present you a demo for Viator computerized muscle stimulator with TENS N535. The bag consists of muscle stimulator with TENS device, instruction manual, a pair of electrodes with cables, one point electrode, a pair of velcro straps, and a 3-pin mains cord. Plug the mains cord end in the main socket provided on the back side of the device. Plug the mains cord and turn on the switch. Now turn on the switch given at the back side of the device to start. When the device is turned on, IG mode with 1 Hz frequency and 100 milliseconds pulse width and 10-minute timer are displayed by default on the LCD. To select the different output modes, press mode button directly. Now for galvanic mode, low ripple DC continuous is set by default. We just need to set the time using up and down arrow key. So time up and time down. In interrupted galvanic, that is IG mode, frequency and pulse width can be changed using the respective up and down arrow keys for the parameters. Frequency can be varied from 1 to 100 Hz and pulse width from 0.01 to 300 milliseconds. So frequency up, frequency down, pulse width up, pulse width down. To set the time, use the up and down arrow key. Time up, time down. In Faradic mode, frequency and pulse width are set by default. We just need to set the time as per our requirement. 60 Hz frequency and 1 millisecond pulse width are predefined for the mode. We can set the time using up and down arrow key. So time up, time down. In Surge Faradic, that is SF mode, contraction and rest time can be set using the respective up and down arrow keys for the parameter. Contraction and rest time can be varied from 1 to 9 seconds as per the requirement. Contraction up, contraction down, rest period up, rest period down. And to set the time, use up and down arrow key. Time up, time down. Similarly, for TENS mode, frequency and pulse width are set by default. We just need to set the time as per our requirement. 50 Hz frequency and 0.40 milliseconds pulse width are predefined for the mode. We can set the time using up and down arrow key. Time up, time down. Now plug the cables in the output socket. Red cable in red output socket and black in black socket. Make sure to soak the lint pads properly before every use for proper output. Also, while using the point electrode, make sure to wet the tip properly before every use for proper output, and always cover the metal plates with lint pad before every use and during the use. After setting up all the parameters, mode and time as per the requirement, press the start button. Gradually increase the intensity through the intensity knob as per the requirement. One important point to be noted here is to make sure the intensity is 0 before pressing the start button, as it will not start and display to make intensity 0. So for example, if I increase the intensity and press the start button, it will display please make intensity equal to 0. So always remember to keep it 0 before starting and gradually increase as per the requirement. A buzzer rings every time when a treatment ends. A stop button is provided to stop the treatment in between or in case of emergency. Always remember to make intensity 0 after completion of every treatment. Now to check if your device is working or not, select any mode and set the parameters. Place your hand covering the electrodes. Make sure these electrodes do not touch each other. The lint pads are properly wet and completely covering the metal electrodes. Press the start button and gradually increase the intensity. You will feel the current, which indicates the device is in working condition. So keep all these parameters in mind while using the muscle stimulator with TENS device, and also go through the contraindications and other details provided in the instruction manual carefully before starting the use of the device for complete details. Thank you.